noise, y'all. I'm wondering if I come through here fast enough, if it'll jump off this hill. It did. That's a big hill. Holy crap. Oh man. Not really much here to jump. Oh, sparkage off the titanium chassis. Dude. Wow, diffed out big time there. Don't know where nothing's at through here. Flying like a maniac. Oh, good Lord, have mercy. Peppered my own car. Oh no, stay on your wheels. What did you hit? Look at that, riding wheelies. It's a beast. Holy crap, yo, she's bad, dead blown. My controller's dying. Dang, she's fast. Tree. Daggone. Lipo cut right there. LVC, y'all. You ain't doing something you love, you're doing something wrong. High speed ripping. Kraton XL. And full M2C build. Batteries dying here. Batteries are dead here. Ain't even sweating yet, guys. Look at that. Ain't even warm. I mean, look at this. Insane, y'all. Ooh, that ESC's kind of hot. That fan might be broken in there. I'm going to have to check that out. Get her a new fan, but she's good, boys and girls. All right, y'all. CNHL lipos as always. You guys know the drill. CNHL lipo, full M2C build, scorched titanium chassis. This thing's a beast. I need to get it. It's got a limited slip diff in the back, and the front one grabs all traction. We got to get that limited slip out of the back of here. It needs more fluid in the center diff. It flung a lot of that out, I think. It's leaking. New gaskets in there, but all in all, boys, she's a performer. Didn't feel like dragging out a ramp. Didn't have nowhere to go today to ramp nothing, so we got some high-speed bashing in out here, and it was amazing. Sorry about the lawnmower noise. You ain't doing something you love. You're doing something wrong. I said it once. I'll say it again. Peace.